So today we are going to be doing science that my dad got all the ingredients for it. And right now you can see this.
And what is that?
And that is a speaker driver.
Yep.
This is a 9 volt battery. This is a speaker wire.
Mm-hmm.
This is alligator clips.
Yep.
And they're attached to a lead.
Yep.
That's what's on it. So as you can see, Dad will explain what's in there that's making it move up and down.
Okay. And so, thank you, Sophie. So what happens is whenever we put power to this here battery, it flows through this speaker wire, and it goes into these clips right here. If you look closely, you'll see with these clips that there's these little wires that are kind of hanging off of them. Well, those wires go and they attach to a voice coil, which is a wound copper wire that's wrapped around a metal pole attached to a magnet. This giant thing down here is a magnet, indeed. So what this does is it creates a magnetic field on that voice coil. So when the power goes in there and goes to this voice coil, it magnetizes and makes the speaker driver move. Now, what makes us hear sound is whenever air vibrates. So when the speaker driver moves up and down and interprets it as, sound, it basically vibrates the air and then creates sound waves so that way we can hear it. So if you can go ahead and attach the leads for me.
So you see these wire for the speaker. You put one on there, you put the other one on here. It goes down.
Yep, and that's called reverse polarity. Now go ahead and put the correct polarity.
This goes right here because you reverse it.
And it goes out.
Because, Dad, would you like to explain what's happening also?
Well, yeah, I mean, it's just basically the magnetism going in there, and since it's a 9 volt and not a varying range or frequency or bursts of electronics, since it's just one solid, 9 volt line, it's just going to make that popping noise. And if you actually hold it there for you actually hear the electricity flowing through the speaker. Yep, that rubbing right there. Yep. And actually, if you leave it on there, it'll actually burn out the speaker because it'll heat up the voice coil and the voice coil will melt.
So don't
but
wait long.
If you have the ability to be able to do this, it is a fun experiment to be able to mess around with and show how electricity flows through speakers.
And if you want to, you could do this just like Dad said. Just make sure you have all the ingredients for it and make sure to be safe since the coronavirus is out there. Make sure you wash your hands.
Yep.
For 20 seconds.
Yep.